Hey guys, Arslan here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Metaverse MegaPark project. And this project caught my eyes. I just found it randomly and I really like it. I saw in different Discord group, but the art, when I went, the animation on their Twitter is amazing, guys. Look at this. You can look for 5 minutes. I found so many different things in this art. It's a GIF picture, so otherwise I would have taken that and put in the video on the side in bigger picture. But you can go to their Twitter and Discord. The links are going to be in description, and you can get into our Discord. The link is going to be in description as well, where more information and chat and a lot of things are being shared. And do not forget to join the giveaways that I'm doing, weekly giveaways on my Twitter. The links are in the description. And there is a whitelist giveaway going on. I will try to get whitelist for this one as well if I can. If they allow me, I will share with you guys as well. This is what I like and this is what I do. So do not miss this. And there's another one whitelist going on, is Anon. But yeah, so you have few chances of getting whitelisted right there. Easy way to get whitelisted. Just retweet and follow me. There's nothing much to do. But the MegaPark, guys, you don't want to miss this. There's only one thing so far. The project's early. They are probably minting next month sometime. The only thing is I couldn't find anything when it comes to the founders. Team is not doxed as far as I see it. Maybe in future things change. They will reveal slowly, but so far I really like so far what I see. The detailed art, the 3D form of that, I'm really hyped. Look at the fire coming up, and when you see the animation, the fire, you see the fire coming up as well. You see, if you see, focus on these things. There's so much happening in one of them. I'll show you another one as well. These are similar. There's another one. It's different, even better. Right here. Not this one. Right here. This is even different. Look at this. You have so much going on in like one picture. Look at the water and everything. This is what I love about this one. This art and this land park and all that. Okay, that's why I said I really want to share with everyone. Keep an eye on this. This is early. You can get in Discord. The link is going to be in description. They are doing partnership with some projects, and if you are part of them, you can probably get whitelisted for it. And this is what's great about it. And other than that, let's go to the Discord. I think yeah, right here. So when it comes to the roadmap is the FAQs. They are talking about how they're gonna merge it, and there's going to be another token. This is Genesis 1 NFT. So there's going to be Genesis 2, which is going to be minted with the right token. So they're going to have a token as well. So you're going to claim tokens as well. So there's a lot of things they are planning to do. Yeah, this looks interesting. There's very limited information. I wish I could tell you a lot of more things. I'm trying to get in touch with them. They're probably busy working on other stuff. And there's only one chat room right here. There's only good evening at the moment going on, because people don't know much about it yet. What's happening, what's going on. There's 17,000 guests at the moment. And it says opening soon, so just stay tuned. Get in early. This is early time, guys. That's what I'm telling you. Get in early before it's gonna get hype, and there's a lot of crowd in it. Look at the rating they're giving to their parks. So this is very interesting project. I haven't seen one of these myself. I have seen land, like when it comes to NFT land, but I haven't seen this type of art where you see. Do you see this when it's moving? The animation, when you get the animation of all of them, you're going to see the movements and the flow coming there and everything. There's so much going on in one of these art. Imagine how many arts they're going to be there. I don't think so there is exact supply mentioned yet. No, I haven't seen the supply mentioned yet. So getting in early before everyone starts joining, because I already see some of the influencers already joined this. They're going to promote this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Do subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter for giveaway, future giveaways. If I don't get for this, there will be for something else. And watch my previous video. There's a lot of information. There's a NFT tool that you do want to see. You don't want to miss it. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.